Hey, what's going on? I hope you are doing well. So in this quick video I'm going to show you a heavy duty blender review that you can buy right now with 5% off discount. You can see officially clicking my video description link. The best part is I'm going to show you the real customer reviews because they buy it, they use it, they know the real experience that will open your eye because you will use a product for a long time. You can see they share a video, you can see fast delivery, it's heavy and the powerful, you can see the share. So if you need this blender you can easily check out. Now let me show you the real customer reviews. You can see 9500W and professional commercial mixer, heavy duty. You can use it in your shop, in your food store, or anywhere in home. You can easily mix anything you want with confidence. Right now 1583 people already buy it, 4.6 rating, 21 reviews. Click these reviews, you can see this person's said quality is great, it's work well, and share a photo. By the 4 you can see like this way. I am satisfied with the device, crashing well. Click the page 2. I recommend this supplier. You can see this person also share a photo using this product. Very good supply, commercial skills. You can see share a photo like this way. If you check out page 3 you will see more people are sharing unboxing photos and most of the people are happy, satisfied. This person's also shared the photos, give 5 star. So if you want you can confidently buy this product right now. Lots of people are happy. You can see 4.6 rating right now, another person give good rating. So if you want you can check out this product, you can use it for a long time, use it in your home, in your business, in your store, anywhere to mix anything quickly, fast, and give a good service. Also use it in your home if you need. 5% off. Check out my video description link officially. Thanks for watching. Always learn from the real customer opinion, it will give you the best confident. See you in another good video.